when and how to harvest kale. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. In this video, we'll talk about the best time to harvest kale and how to harvest kale. There are so many varieties of kale. There are some hot summer varieties and there are some cold ones that do better in the cold weather. Hello everybody. So we planted kale a couple of like 2 months ago, so it's time for us to harvest the kale. I'm sure you guys saw the video of me planting kale. If you haven't seen the video, I'll put the link in the description today. But let me show you how the kale that we planted, I'll say about 6 weeks ago, how it looks like and how it's ready for us to be harvesting and eating some kale. So let's go take a look and see what we have for kale in the garden, and then we'll start harvesting. So over here we have some kale right here. You can see the big leaves. We have another kale over here. Look at the leaves. And then we have my little kale bed. I call it kale, our kale and collard green bed over here. So as you can see, all of them are ready to be harvested. There are some very big, look at the leaves, very big leaves. The best time to harvest kale will be early in the morning when the leaves are still fresh and the temperature is still cold. You want to harvest it before the temperatures get warm or the sun gets overhead. Harvesting kale, there are various ways to harvest kale. You can use your hand, you can use the garden shear, or you can use the scissors to harvest kale. Let me show you how to do that. So what you do is you can pinch and twist like this. You can pinch and twist like that. You harvest it. You can do that. Or you can use the garden shear. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Or you can use the garden shear like this and just cut it at the bottom like that. You want to cut it close to the stem as much as possible. So I'm leaving the inner leaves for them to continue to grow and just cutting by the outer leaves that are big enough to be harvested. Right, yeah, I take video. So it's easier and faster when I use my hand. My wife is also here harvesting some kale, so she plans to prepare it. So hopefully she's gonna show us how they prepare kale. So stay tuned for that video coming up. She's gonna show us how to prepare kale. Let me know in the comments below if you grow kale, if you've grown kale before, and what are the variety of kale that you grow. This is the first harvest and it's quite a lot, so the next one will be much better since we have a few other ones that we didn't harvest because they were still tiny. So we are done harvesting on this bed, so we have to go to the next one that has a little bit of kale too, and then we're gonna harvest those in those other beds. So we just have a few spread out. So that's it. Look at what we harvested so far. Are you helping? You are helping? Okay. You can pinch it too, like that. My tip is that just leave at least 2 or 3 leaves on the plant. Every time you leave 2 or 3 leaves, those leaves are gonna be able to get the sunlight and help the plant do much better. You want to harvest and leave 2 or 3 leaves. If you harvest all the leaves, it's still gonna grow, but it might not do as fast or as well as if you leave a couple of leaves. So this is what we have harvested so far from the garden. That's awesome. That should be a good dish right here. So we're gonna show you what we do with washing and rinsing, and stay tuned for the other video that's gonna show you how we prepare it. So we usually wash it in the garden, take out a lot of the sand and other bugs and stuff like that before coming inside and washing it again. So that's how we do it. We just wash it like 2 or 3 times, just in case there are any bugs or flies, and soil or sand on it. We get it out. Okay, that's it for the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.